We'll guide you through how to enable site search on your Wix website, making it easier for visitors to find what they need. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard and make sure you're in the editor for the website where you want to add site search. In the editor, look for the ADD button on the left sidebar. Click on it, and this will take you to the Wix app market. Once you're there, type Wix Site Search into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the Wix Site Search app in the results. Click the ADD Site button next to it. This will integrate the search bar into your website. After adding it, go back to the editor, and you'll see a new search bar element on your page. You can drag and drop it to your preferred location on your site. Click on the search bar to open the settings. Here, you can customize the appearance, such as the style and color, to match your website's theme. You can also adjust the search settings like which pages and items are searchable. Make sure to hit the Save button to apply your changes. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make the search feature live on your website. With the search function enabled, visitors can now easily find content on your site by entering keywords into the search bar. This enhances user experience and can help retain visitors longer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.